Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Power on the Samsung TV and point the remote. Once the home screen appears, press the Home or Menu button to open settings. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi name and password handy, or plug an Ethernet cable into the TV's LAN port. Having credentials ready speeds things up. You'll be selecting network next, so don't wander. Go straight to the gear icon. This gets you into the right panel, where the TV lists connection options and basic status. Once in settings, navigate to General then Network. On some models, the path is directly labeled Network, so choose whichever appears. Select Network Status to see whether the TV already has an IP address and whether DNS and gateway are assigned. This tells you if connection was successful. To change or create a connection, pick Configure Network. Select Wireless to scan for SSIDs or Wired for DHCP. Progress through prompts. When choosing Wi-Fi, select your SSID and enter the password using the remote's on-screen keyboard. After connecting, return to network status to confirm the TV has an IP, gateway, and DNS entries. Check signal strength if wireless. If something fails, retry entering the Wi-Fi password carefully, case sensitive, and then power cycle the router and TV. That often resolves DHCP or handshake issues. Make sure firmware isn't blocking network access by updating the TV software or Smart Hub. Finally, open an app like YouTube to verify streaming works. If it doesn't, note the error and try the router power cycle again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.